Exercise number 5.4 expand. Here is given the 2p plus q plus 5 square. That means this question is depend upon this one formula a plus b plus c whole square. So what is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. Now here you take the a value is 2p and b value you take the q and c value you take the phi. Now this all the value you substitute in the formula. The first is a square, that means 2p square, plus b, that means q square, plus c, that means phi square, plus 2 into ab, that means 2 into 2p into q, plus 2bc, that means 2 into q into phi, plus 2ca, that means 2 into phi into 2p. Now substitute the value. Now solve. 2p square means 2 to the 4, p square means p square, plus q square plus 10. Now 5 5 is the 25, you get the 25. Now plus 2 to the 4, 4pq. Now 2 5 is the 10, 10q, plus 2 5 is the 10, 10 to the 20, 20p. Now you get the answer 4p square plus q square plus 25 plus 4pq plus 10q plus 20p. Now go for the next sum, second one. Okay, now second sum is here m plus 2n plus 3r. That means a value is m, b value is 2n and c value is 3r. Now formula is a square, that means m square plus b square, that means 2n square plus c means 3r square. Now plus 2ab, the 2 into m into 2n plus 2bc, the 2 into 2n into 3r plus 2ca, 2 into 3r into m. Now m square value is given at the m square. 2 means 4n square, 3 means 9r square, plus sign. Now 2 to the 4, so 4mn plus 2 to the 4, 4 is the 12. 12rn plus 2 to the 6, 6mr, 6rm. That means you get the answer m square plus 4n square plus 9r square plus 4mn plus 12nrn and plus 6rn. This is your answer. Now go for the next third one sum. Okay, now the sum is there 3x plus 4y minus 5p square. Now you take the here a value is 3x, b value you take the 4y and c value you take the minus 5p. Okay, now formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ca, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now I have substituted the value. A square means 3x square plus 4y square plus minus 5p square. Now 2 into 3x into 4y plus sign 2 into 4y into minus 5p into plus sign 2 into minus 5p into 3x. Now I am to solve the formulas. So value substitute and solve. 3x means 9x square plus 4 for the 16y square. Now minus you convert the square, that means the positive. The positive you get the positive 25p square. Now plus sign 6 for the 24. 24xy. Now here plus and minus, you get the minus answer. 2 4 the 8, 8 5 the 40, 40py. Now here also minus answer. 2 5 the 10, 30xp. That is your final answer is 9x square plus 16y square plus 25p square plus 24xy minus 40yp, otherwise py. Now and minus 30xp. This is your final answer. Now go for the next question, fourth one. Now fourth one question is there 7m minus 3n minus 4k square. Here you take the A value is 7m and B value you take the minus 3n and C value also you take the minus 4k. The formula is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now I am substitute value. A means 7m square plus B means minus 3n square plus C means minus 4k square plus 2 into 7m into minus 3n plus 2bc. So 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k plus 2 into minus 4k into 7m. Now 7 7s are 49m square. This minus is a convertive square, they get the positive answer. The 9n square, here also positive answer, 16k square. Now here plus minus you get the minus. 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are 42, 42 ml. Now here minus minus plus and this plus plus plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 nk. Now here plus minus minus 2 4s are 8, 8 7s are 56 km. Now you get the answer 49m square plus 9n square plus 16k square minus 42mn plus 24nk minus 56km. Now here this exercise is finished. 5.4. I meet for the next exercise.